look what I have here. It's chocolate cereal balls, gluten-free, that you can make it and you're gonna go crazy over it and your kids are going to go insane. It's delicious, healthy, it's oil-free. You're going to love it. It's fun to make, so get kids involved, they're gonna love it. So let me show you how I put it together. All right, so first we're going to add 1 cup and a quarter of oatmeal flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of sugar, or a little less if you prefer, 4 tablespoons of plant-based milk, and half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now, for a sweetener, you can use sugar, like I said, or you can use erythritol or any type of these cookable sweeteners if you prefer. I don't think it will work if you use agave or maple syrup, because otherwise it's going to get too wet and you are not going to be able to form the little balls, okay? So stay away from that. Use the sugar of your preference as long as it's a cookable type of sugar or sweetener, or powder, all right? All right, so now we're going to mix it all very well. So now we're going to flatten it up with a rolling pin. And then cut it into small ribbons and cut across as well, and just make the little balls. So now you put them in a lined baking sheet and you're going to bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. This is delicious. This is so good. So good and so easy, right? The thing is, it can be a little bit lengthy depending on the quantity you're making. If you double the recipe, it's gonna take longer, but it's so worth it, okay? Because it's so good. And like I said, get the kids involved, okay? It's nice for them to get to know how to get familiar with food from a tender age. I think it's very interesting. I grew up this way. I'm Brazilian. Latinos are like that. They tend to be like that. We grow up around the kitchen. It's the heart of the house is the kitchen. We are all gathering there, no matter the situation, no matter what's happening. If you're sad, you eat. If you're happy, you celebrate and then you eat. So it's nice to have these, and it brings together a sense of family and belonging that only food does, you know? You get my drift. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video. Share on social media. People are gonna love it, okay? And I was gonna say something else. Oh, check if you're still subscribed, because some people complain that they have been unsubscribed and it wasn't them. Hello, why? Okay? So I will see you next time. Have a wonderful week. Bye-bye.